Well, I managed to take off the clip. I take off the old rubber. So this is old rubber. Inside there, if you can see, it's all Mac. That's where they make the washing machine smell. Take this off. I can put that to the other one. So what I've got to do is throw that one in the bin. And then I put the new one in. That's how dirty it is. And this is a new one. And that's the old one. Now I can throw that one in the bin because I couldn't use that one. I like my washing machine clean, not dirty. Right, I'm going to stop this video and just carry on. It's going to be a little bit work to do on that one. Just give it a clean and that should be it. I'll put it back on when it's all done.